Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage warehouse racks using our warehouse management system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to navigate to the warehouse rack section. Next, we'll take a look at a staging rack created specifically for the warehouse. This helps in organizing and preparing inventory before final allocation. We'll also explore how to filter racks based on different criteria. This makes it easy to quickly locate specific racks and streamline your workflow. Then, we'll dive into rack allocation, where we'll show you how to view available racks. Finally, we'll cover the actions you can take on racks, such as activate, deactivate, and delete. Let's begin with navigating the racks. Under My Account, Manage Warehouse, Manage Racks, you'll find the Racks grid page. By default, the racks for the most recently used warehouse are displayed. Next, let's overview staging racks. For every warehouse, a staging rack is created automatically. Whenever inventory is created, it is initially stored in this staging environment. Next, let's explore how to filter racks. You can filter racks by selecting the warehouse and specifying the rack path in the format zone.rack.shelf.cell. Next, let's explore rack allocation. To view rack allocation, select the Available checkbox. This will display all empty racks. You can also download these records as a CSV file by clicking the Download button next to the Available checkbox. You can view all available racks in the downloaded CSV file. Next, let's explore actions on racks. Each rack can be managed individually. If a rack is temporarily not in use, you could deactivate it. If a rack is no longer needed, you could delete it from the system. This completes the demo, and now you should know how to manage racks efficiently in your warehouse management system. Thank you for watching the video.